China captures more than 80 coal carriers worth $830,000 from Australia. On December 15th, Australian media simultaneously reported that China officially issued a ban on coal imports from Australia, leaving 80 coal carriers of the country still waiting for clearance off the coast of China. Australia's Trade Minister, Mr. Simon Birmingham, said Australia was confused by reports that China's National Development and Reform Commission had decided to allow major thermal power companies of China. The country imports unrestricted coal from other countries, except Australia. Currently, more than 80 Australian coal tankers, with a total value of more than $830,000, are waiting to be cleared off the coast of China after the ports have been notified that they will not accept shipments. The above information has not officially been confirmed yet. However, China will violate the provisions of the World Trade Organization and the Free Trade Agreement between the two countries if issuing such a ban, said Australian Trade Minister Simon Birmingham. In 2019, Australia earned about $10.5 billion when meeting up to 60% of China's coal import demand. However, Australia's Prime Minister Scott Morrison declared that Japan was Australia's largest coal consumption market, not the country with the second largest economy in the world. Relations between China and Australia have been problematic since 2018, when Australia did not allow Chinese technology conglomerate Huawei to participate in building 5G telecommunications networks for security reasons. Earlier this year, tensions continued to be heightened when Australia promoted an investigation of the COVID-19 origin and rejected China's claims in the South China Sea. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce in May announced an 80.5% tax on Australian barley from May 19th. The move comes about a week after 4 major Australian beef producers were banned from export to China due to labeling and quarantine issues. Then, at the end of October, the Chinese Customs Department suddenly added customs inspection for Australian lobsters, causing most Australian suppliers to stop exporting lobster to China. Most recently, the Ministry of Commerce of China on November 27th announced that Australian wine importers will be subject to anti-dumping tax rates from 107.1% to 212.1% from November 28th. Faced with the fact that China continuously imposed trade barriers, Australia has not officially made any retaliatory action. However, the Australian Trade Minister Birmingham affirmed that Australia will still comply with its commitments and will sue the World Trade Organization if necessary, although this may cause the relationship between the two countries to become